Ladies and gentlemen, here we have it, the Holystone HS100. This is a drone that has a GPS. As you see, everything that comes here, we're going to start with the remote here. Regular Holystone remote. You have this clip here so you could put a strap on, power button, return home. To take off and land, you got two buttons here, and this one is the headless mode. You got speed right here, it's a knob, and on the other side here for camera or video. Also, this is for to turn the angle of the camera up or down. You have over here the instruction manual for the HS100. GPS, pretty detailed manual. Over here you have the USB to micro SD card, also includes a screwdriver, and these are I think the cover for on top of the propellers. You got screws and some little things, plastic there, and you got two sets of propellers right here, A's and B's. Over here you see the battery. Right now we have charged it, the whole thing. There you go. And you have the micro USB for charging the battery right here. You get extra set of landing gears, propeller guards, and over here this is like a thank you booklet. You have a pen, pretty nice. For now, the drone, you can see it's like a regular drone. This is where you put the battery. Pretty nice drone, nice feature for to change the angle of the camera. Nice padding here. It's a nice drone, can't wait to test it. Alright, nice feature here on the remote. Let me tell you that the battery is built in. You charge it over here via micro USB. Here you lift this up so you could put your phone for pretty large phones. There. I'm gonna put the propellers. It'll tell you here A, B, right here on the sides, A and B. So you go ahead and put B right here. You get this card, extra battery, free. Want longer flying time? Free. You just need to share your awesome flying experience by writing an honest Amazon product review. Then contact us at battery@holystone.com. That way you get a free extra battery for this drone. Instructions to install the propellers. So you can see the detail on the propeller right here. You screw the propeller, then the spacer ring, fixed ring with the screw, and then the cap. Let's do that. Propellers, spacer, one of these with a screw. Align it and then screw it in. Let's put a cap on it. Beautiful. Alright, so charge the remote until it's green, LED green. So the quadcopter already comes with an 8 GB SD card already integrated on the camera. Let's go ahead and put the battery on. That should be it right there. Turn it on, let's see how it does. Turn on the remote by pressing for 2 seconds. If you see the camera, over here is for the angle. Alright, to download the app, get your barcode reader for Android, and there you go. Open link. It'll go to HS GPS Pro. Install. Alright, so this is my first time ever turning on the quadcopter. Let me go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi. It's connected. It says checking for updates. Open the app. Let's go to enter device. Allow. It looks pretty cool. Nice. So this is cool how it looks. You could take photos here. The video. Do the follow mode. Home point. To take off and landing from the app. Let's see how it works. Not bad. Yeah, so that's the landing. Pressing here video. It's recording now. One key takeoff. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to do compass calibration. I will do this only when you first get it, because the drum must come from far away. So it tells you here, connect to, that's what we're doing. Holy stone over here. So let's go to the app. Now, let's go to the drone. So to calibrate the compass, just do 1 o'clock and 11 o'clock, and it'll blink. You see that? Keeping the level, pick up the drone from the back and rotate your body in one full circle. So I'm guessing like this. Oh yeah, the back already turned purple, so that's good. Solid. And now from the bottom, hold the face down like this, and now do the same thing. You see the front lights, they're gonna get solid. And there you go, it is solid. Hey, can you please press the helpful button under this review? That way I know someone watched the video. Can you help my channel by subscribing? I will gladly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Take off.